Storm Team Forecast on Indiana News Now.
All right, starting off with the rest of today for Fort Wayne, expecting those rain chances in your forecast throughout the rest of your day. Temperatures dropping down into the upper 30s later on this evening with that snow coming in on the backside of that system. For Lafayette, temperatures will be falling into the 30s with that rain chance again in place throughout the rest of your day. Pretty windy with that snow coming in later on this evening. For Terre Haute, temperatures pretty much in the 30s throughout much of the day before that snow does take over eventually during the evening hours. Temperatures also dropping down to 34 degrees by about 9 o'clock. Looking ahead to tomorrow, though, going to be a colder but a windy day as well. Looking at temperatures at 27 degrees tomorrow morning, and then that snow chance dies off for Fort Wayne. Looking at partly cloudy conditions for the afternoon, and for Lafayette, temperatures reaching the upper 30s to around the 40-degree mark for your afternoon. Looking ahead to down around Terre Haute, looking at some clouds in the morning, and then that sunshine coming right back out during the afternoon. Temperatures reaching the 40s down there, but still going to be a bit colder compared to what we dealt with yesterday, and even as we with Monday as well. But looking ahead to your futurecast, this is 1 o'clock this afternoon. A wet mess across much of the area, but notice how slowly that rain and snow begins to take over. It will slowly take over by about 7 o'clock, encompassing most of the area by then, and then by 9 o'clock we should see a transition over to all snow for western counties at first, and then as we do towards midnight, 1 o'clock, it should impact Fort Wayne, as they'll be the last ones to see the cold, as with the warmer air still locked in place due to that proximity of the low. They will be seeing that snow coming in a bit later with that slow arrival of that colder air. And as we head towards Thursday morning, looking at overcast skies before that sun comes right back out during the afternoon, looking pretty beautiful during your afternoon hours for your Thursday, but still going to feel a lot colder. But looking at Friday, though, unfortunately, that our system comes in here first thing in the morning, which will bring impacts to mainly the northern half of the state. Looking at some widespread snow for around the Fort Wayne area. For Lafayette, is a wintry mix during the afternoon, evening hours, and then down to our south around Terre Haute, we could see that wintry mix arrive as late as Friday evening into Saturday morning. You can see by midnight Saturday that snow impacting Terre Haute by then. But looking in terms of rainfall for this first system, looking at a half-inch to a quarter for much of our area, and then looking ahead to the snowfall amounts, not looking at very much of the first system, but looking ahead towards Saturday, we could see a little more snow on the ground by Saturday morning. But looking ahead past Saturday, looking pretty warm as we head towards next week. Looking at the forecast for all three locations, temperatures warming up into next week, 66 by Tuesday for